Today I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Publisher in 2026. It's totally free and legal way. Let's start it. Go to any web browser and search Microsoft Customization Tools. Okay, click enter. Then click the first link, Office Customization Tools, Product and Releases option. Click 64-bit. If your computer 32-bit, then select 32-bit, and if your computer is 64-bit, then select 64-bit. In my case, my computer is 64-bit, that's why I select 64-bit. In the product option, here expand the Office suite and select Office Professional Plus 2021 or Office Professional Plus 2019. Don't select Office Professional 2024 because in 2024 version publisher is not available. That's why you must have to select Office 2021 or 2019. In my case, I recommended Office Professional Plus 2019. And then scroll down, and here you have to select latest. Then scroll down, and here in the app section, here you can see all these apps are available: Access, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Outlooks, OneDrive desktop. If you want to install all these apps, then keep it as it is, and if you want to install only Microsoft Publisher, then power on only Microsoft Publisher, and other apps you can power off. In my case, I need to install all these apps. I recommended you please keep all this on, then click next. In the language section, you select your language. In my case, I select United States English. In installation option, keep it as it is and click next. And if you keep on this option, then it delete or uninstall your other Microsoft Office tools or software like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word that's already installed on your computer. So be careful, you must keep off this option, then click next, and then click next, and then click next, and here you can see all this option, and you scroll down and click finish, then click export. Okay, now here you select keep current setting and click OK. In here, accept the term and condition of license agreement, and file name must set as a configuration. Okay, then export. It automatically download the file. Here you can see the file is downloaded already. Click here and open the file. Copy this file and go to C drive. Here the C drive, and create a folder, name ms office. Okay, go to ms office and paste the configuration file. Okay, here. Okay, now minimize it and again search here Office deployment tool. Click the first link, Office deployment tool, Microsoft first link, and okay, now scroll down and click Office deployment tool download button. Okay, it downloading. Okay, go to the download folder and right click on the Office deployment tools, run as a administrator. Click yes, click here and click here, tick it and click continue. Now here we select the newly created folder. Okay, we create it C drive. Go to C drive and we create MS Office. Okay, select MS Office and click OK. Okay, file extracted successful. Click OK. Now go to C drive and go to MS Office. You can see here the 3 file. Okay, now copy this path, okay, and search cmd and run as a administrator. Right click here and run as a administrator. Click OK. Yes. Okay, now type cd and paste this path, okay, click enter. Okay, now type setup space slash configure configure.xml, okay, then click enter. Now you can see the Microsoft pop-up menu. It takes a few minutes to complete download and install. It takes about 30 to 50 minutes, okay, based your internet connection. Okay, it automatically download and install. Don't click or don't close it. Okay, now we can see here download and installation is finished. Now check the installation is successful or not. Here search publisher. Here you can see the publisher. Open. We can see publisher is successfully download and install. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped for you, please subscribe my channel and share this video.